Heather,
Amber's like, okay.
they're about to do the Mentos.
Oh, we need the scissors. Sam, get the scissors.
We don't need scissors. We don't need no. Listen, scissors.
Okay, let me back.
You can do that. I can't.
It won't fit around the bottom of it? It won't fit.
That's why I said you're supposed to put it on there first.
Wonder if I could.
And you already checked that the Mentos will go through.
She said she'll be out here in a second. She's cooking chicken.
Here.
These are my friends.
No, don't get some.
My nephew, my brother's friend. That's weird.
Here's one right.
My mom, my cousin Austin.
Let's go.
What? I'm gonna go say hi to Chloe.
Hold on.
Hey, I got that phone ready.
Speaking of my phone, where is it?
Steve!
Chew. Cruisin', no! Hold it. No. Make sure it is not touching it.
What?
Make sure it's not touching the white piece.
Yeah. I don't know, Randy and Lori are doing it, and I'm going to take pictures from far away. So I don't get messy. Because it looks kind of normal.
Kinda.
It's like,
Well, you're not wrong.
At least
That's her talking.
and I think you brought Mentos in it, and it's business
That's a chemical reaction.
Watch Mythbusters.
Mythbusters.
This is from Mythbusters. Do not do this.
This isn't from Mythbusters.
I'm just kidding. It ain't.
I'm just saying there's an episode about it.
They do it on Mythbusters.
But it's not from Mythbusters. It's from R and
You know what that is.
what, Mentos?
where the shit's on.
Oh, what?
This one might be.
I just learned my science from my dad.
Woo!
Oh, yes, very good.
You missed.
What's the thing for? The little slot thing.
See two of those bottles connected. Called Mentos Explosion is what I call it.
Well, I'm trying not to.
Doing
No, I-
two of them, and then the third one.
Lori, that is going to be a phenomenal shot.
Oh, thank you. Hey. Who has the other thing of Mentos? Anybody?
Up there.
Car. Shut.
Yesterday was a watermelon.
Here,
Today
let's
Say hi. Say hi. I'm posting this on YouTube.
Yeah, we did that.
Y'all didn't clean it up, did you?
Here we go. Part one. Part one out.
Why? Because I'm sure that it was well, they didn't park on the farmer's driveway, did they? Guess they'll teach them a lesson. Go ahead and leave it over there.
I gotta get a good angle.
I'll be more than happy to answer to that one.
Come here.
It should be 8.
Make sure the white part is in all the way.
1, 2, 3. Go!
Still floating.
Okay. Here, back up. Wait. Y'all go step that way.
Damn it!
How big is this going to be, Jack? Oh, what? Oh. Don't do it over here. Yes, we're doing so many studies. Be afraid.
Okay, go. Quick.
Where's my camera?
Drop it in. Okay.
Not yet.
This one.
Wait, get them all prepared.
Anywhere.
Mythbusters roll.
Lori, I got a great picture. Thank you. Awesome.
We're doing a Mentos explosion. You ready?
I don't know about that. I don't know if it has to be mint or not.
Yeah?
Hurry up!
Same way. It's gonna look more professional.
Professional. Okay, now I got to do the car. I got wait, turning and use your blinker.
I know, I do that too. I'm like, they don't use their blinkers.
Okay, we're playing soccer the same way.
Go!
Wait.
What am I doing?
Wait, you have to get a picture of us all at the ready. Ready. Wait.
One,
You're all wearing
two.
Call it.
1, 2, 3. Carefully go.
When he did it to me, it squirted me in the face because I didn't run away.
Now drink it. Try it. Try it. You have to try
You
it.
have to drink it to get to it.
Try it.
Did you get any pictures of it? Or was that a video?
Don't spill it on.
I'm
I
not.
put it as a video, but I think it was a very quick video.
Do it on yourself. Or go for it. Yeah, it's fine.
Devin.
Devin, give it to him.
A couple days anyway.
It's a fountain. Good.
I'm wearing socks. Someone else clean that up.